Do you want to make faster follow-up shots with your Micro Dagger? Smaller handguns have more recoil, making it more difficult to get fast and accurate follow-up shots on target. Compensators claim to be the answer, but do they work? In today's video, we test out 3 options to find out if the hype is real. First, let's get a benchmark to see just how much recoil we're dealing with. This is the stock Micro Dagger with no compensator attached. So you can see the muzzle flip and recoil are fairly dramatic. Let's attach our first compensator and see if there is any difference in the way this gun handles. Starting out, we have the Tyrant CNC T-Comp Compensator. This compensator comes in 2 pieces and attaches securely to the barrel via this golded threaded portion of the comp instead of set screws like the other 2 compensators we're testing. Let's see how the T-Comp stacks up. Now you can see in these 2 shots that there is definitely a difference in the muzzle flip with and without the T-Comp. But is this the best compensator for the Micro Dagger? Next up, Backup Tactical's PROComp compensator. This is definitely the slimmest and lightest of the compensators we tested. Let's see how well it functions. Again, here's a side-by-side view with the stock Micro Dagger. We can see a clear difference in the shooter's ability to settle the gun for that follow-up shot. Our final comp we're testing is the Zaffiri Precision Blowhole compensator. This compensator has 2 things helping it reduce muzzle flip. Not only is it venting gas upwards like the previous 2 compensators, it also adds a little over 2 ounces of weight at the end of the muzzle. But how much of a difference will that make? Again, let's go to the side-by-side view and take a look. Now you can see a very clear difference between the 2, but how does it stack up to the other compensators? Here we've lined up all 3 shots to see how they perform head-to-head. So we can see that compensators perform as advertised. But is a compensator something you should think about adding to your PSA Micro Dagger? Do the benefits of controllability outweigh the drawbacks of extra length and weight that a comp will add to your handgun? Ultimately, it comes down to personal preference and why you got the Micro Dagger in the first place. And remember, a compensator will not fix bad shooting fundamentals. Only quality practice and training will remedy that. If there is a Micro Dagger upgrade that you would like us to go hands-on with in an upcoming video, let us know in the comments below. Check out this next video over here where we're testing trigger upgrades for the PSA Micro Dagger. It's coming up next, and don't forget to go to at3tactical.com and sign up for this month's giveaway, and we'll see you in the next video.